Dear students, hope you are well and doing great. The video is on the topic migration and navigation, which contains instructive educational content that is both shareable and easy to retain. So, let's start. What is migration? Migration refers to periodic round trips between breeding and non breeding areas. Periodic round trips are those in which birds or any other person start their journey from one area to another and then get back to the first area. And migration is usually annual because it happens once in a year. Aristotle thought that the birds hibernate in temperature extremities to prevent themselves from temperature extremes, but later it was discovered that birds do not hibernate but they migrate from one area to another to get favorable conditions. After that, zoologists studied about timing of migration. That when will birds migrate and what directions, what stimulus they get from for migration, and what physiological changes occur during their life that they should migrate, and what route they select for migration, and how they navigate themselves for huge areas. For this, they choose photoperiod. Photoperiod is important migratory cue. It initiates gonadal development. When the day length increase, ultimately there is increase in gonadal development, and when the day length decrease, there is decrease in gonadal development. When the birds are to migrate, they store energy in the form of fats. Some birds make 50% of their body weight fat and they make non-stop journey, and some birds are those which stop in their journey and frequently stop to feed and rest. And then what is navigation? Navigation is how to determine direction, that in which direction the bird should go. In ancient times, pigeons have served as a pigeon postal service. The birds use two types of navigation: route based navigation and location based navigation. In route based navigation, they keep record of landmarks, which are visuals, what they see during their journey, what they listen during their journey. These cues are important to for return trip. When they get back toward their previous area, they use these tracks. And location based, in this they establish the direction of destination. In for this they use sun compass, celestial cues, earth magnetic field. So what is sun compass? Orientation cue is called a sun compass. The eyes of birds are uh, transparent to photoreceptors. They respond to ultraviolet light. For this they can move through sun compass from one area to another. Celestial cues are those cues which are got from sky and related to heaven. As we know that as we move towards equator, the distance between north star and horizon decrease. Perhaps birds use this kind of information to to make their journey, to make their destination, to make their direction. These are celestial cues. Magnetic field is used to orient themselves. They use when the time of night they can't use sun compass, so they use magnetic field of the earth. And birds use magnetic compass to detect the earth magnetic field. Different birds migrate in different areas, and the birds usually migrate in groups. Under different conditions, birds use different circumstances. The birds do not get information from only a single source. They get information from different sources that can be auditory, visual, sun compass, or any other magnetic field maybe. So they use different kind of cues, celestial cues, or any other different kind of information. It is not obvious that they should get information from one obvious clue. They can get information from different sources. Thank you.